Let's add a little context this time and do some word problems. Sarah started with 324 marbles and her friend gave her 187 more. We're working with unequal groups and I'm going to combine these numbers. We can use a number line to model what's happening in this word problem. When students are adding or subtracting on a number line, they might do it in different ways. In this case, I started with 324 and I added my hundreds, tens, and then ones. Or we could also use a strip diagram or bar model to figure out what's happening in this problem. If they represented the problem first with the strip diagram, then we have to use a thinking strategy to actually get the answer. Using a number line kind of combines the representation and strategy. Students can use a thinking strategy to confirm their representation. Now let's use a subtraction example. Students should know that when we are subtracting, sometimes we're going to be taking away from a total or comparing two quantities. In this case, we are separating from the total. We started at 650 students in the cafeteria and 248 of them left. 248 is really close to 250, so I went ahead and just jumped back to 50 and then added 2 more back. Students should be able to pick certain strategies depending on the numbers that they're given. We would hope that students would not regroup when they're just trying to solve 50 minus 48. And if they're not there yet, bring out the manipulatives. Have your students try to record what they're doing with the model. I'm showing that when I took away 200, I was left with 450. Then we went ahead and took away the 40 to get 410. And then for that remaining 10, also known as 10 ones, I can go ahead and subtract 8 to get 402.